Man, that is some badass rain clouds. Cool. Yeah, the next pass is the Alps pass. Also very beautiful pass. Man, and the Honda behaves pretty well. Like going up those passes. And going down again. The kind of stuff that you could just do all day. These turns, man, amazing. So cool. And of course, the view. Oh, tight. Hello, hello. Oh, look at that! A lonely wind turbine. And again, what a cool scenery that is. Looks like we're going up again soon. Okay, where are we going now? The restaurant panorama? Oh yeah, that is a panorama. Liechtenstein is a really small country, so I might cross another border again very soon. And it's probably Germany or Austria. Could be Austria. When two exhausts aren't enough, more is more. 4 exhausts. Cool. Okay. That is probably now, I don't know. So, well, okay. Where are we going now? Man, that is some badass rain clouds. I don't know if you can see that, but whoa! The plan was to check out Lake Constance, but since those clouds looking very bad, I'm heading a bit in another direction now, going straight to Germany. And I found a campsite near the border, and it's 1.5 hours from here, so I want to keep driving and make my way there. It's mean rain clouds, but this in the back, that is the worst, so I'll better hurry. We're already in Germany. Didn't even see the border. I think it was just a little sign. That's how it should be. Anyways, that road here is fun. Oh. What a cool road, man. And again, in the end of the day, an amazing road. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Well, it's not raining. I hope it stays that way. Oh, fresh breeze, man. I think we're at 1500 meters. Chilly. But what a great day, man. The Alps, the Alps. Looks so scary, man. And it's windy and it's cold, and I just hope it stays dry. 10 minutes to go. Yeah. I made it to the campground before the rain. Wow. So let's hope they have a spot for me. Okay. They have a spot. It was not too expensive. Let's quickly pitch up the tent, and then we're good. So I think here. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Oh man, I just made it inside the tent before the rain. It's like, didn't unpack anything, like it just set it up and went in. It just started. Oh man. Got to buy water. I have to get water somewhere. Alright. Okay. Raining pretty bad now. But I'm in my tent. Safe and sound. Alright, I just hope it stops tomorrow morning. It's gonna be fine.